Hey guys, it's me. I got bangs. I just wanted to show you. Oh, no, okay. Well, this is my bangs. Aren't they cute? I'm gonna be showing you a slime video again. I can't show you, but that's what it looks like. So let me just video real quick, cause I have to just go like this. Okay. I'm gonna go like this. Okay, so it's gonna be right here. Yeah, and this is what it looks like in the container. Ready? Take the lid off. It's not that big, so yeah, and it's not sticky. It's very glossy. It's very pretty. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's stretchy and nice and really, really pretty. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's very glossy and pretty. I'm going to my mom's house at 7:30 or 7:50ish, and then I'm gonna leave, and then I might vlog on my other channel. I have like 5 channels. That's really weird. I love the way it looks when I just go woo, woo, woo. On the camera it looks weird, but in real life it looks really, really nice and pretty. So yeah, it's a very pretty color, I think. And yeah, I'm gonna be showing you 2 of my favorite slimes. Let me just see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 slimes that I'm gonna pick out of 2. And yeah, so this is the first. That's what it looks like. Okay. Now we're gonna put it back in this container. And then I'm gonna put it right here. Oops, that was my contact solution. So let me just pick this out. Ooh. I have dry glue in here, and I love picking it out because it's so pretty. I mean, like, look at it. It gets all over my hands, but I like picking it. I made slime yesterday, and it looks like that, but it's not my favorite slime I've made so far. Oh, this one's not that good. This one's a butter slime. I don't like this one. I'm gonna put it right here. I might choose this one. This one's green. Nope, I'm not gonna choose this one. I'm putting the one that I don't like over here. So yeah, you won't see them. And I might choose this one right here. This might be the one. Ooh, yeah, this is the one. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's really nice, pretty color, and it's very shiny and sparkly. And it's like a green with the cap fell. Oh god, no. Okay, it didn't stick, but it might have. Look it. Okay. Ready? Get set. Ooh. Oh. I wasn't looking. I was looking like where the camera is right here to see where I was looking. And I was like just looking at it. I'm gonna like fix this one a little bit. I'm gonna add some shaving cream. I have the shave cream, extra thick, regular. It's rich, creamy leather that spreads easily and rinses clean. And I'm just gonna shake it up, and then I'm just gonna spread it out like this. Spread, and then I'm gonna like just put it in like this, like just like that. And then this is what I do when I put extra shaving cream in. I go like this. I put it over like this, and it really helps most of the time. I like how bubbles, like it pops. Ooh. And my hands are about to get really dirty right now. Okay, so it already got dirty. Alright, let's just... This is the mess that I'm making for my life. Oh God, why am I doing this? I made a YouTube channel because my friend dared me to. That was like 2 years ago. And I liked it to make a YouTube channel, so I kept it. And I've made like 10 YouTube channels in 3 days. So, yeah. Oops. I just dropped the cap. Let me just pick up some of that. Okay, so this is what the slime looks like. Yeah, this is definitely my second favorite. Because I already know the first one was my first favorite, and yeah. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's not great, but it's better than all of these two that are butter slimes. I had 2 butter slimes and then 2 fluffy slimes. And yeah, so I picked the 2 fluffy slimes because I don't really like butter slime. I feel like butter slime just feels weird on my hands. So this is the second slime. Really quick, I'm just gonna show you guys the butter slime. But really quick, because I don't have a lot of time. Because it's 7 o'clock. And I still have to get redressed. So this is the first butter slime. Very nice, but it's not that nice. It's very buttery. Ready? Take up some shaving cream. So it's fluffy, buttery slime. I'm gonna like make sure that it doesn't touch my hands, because I don't want it to touch my hands. So I'm just gonna go like this and like stay away from the shaving cream. Ew, oh, it touched me. Okay. Yep. I'm fine. This is what it looks like. It's very stretchy. Oh, I was right here the whole time I was filming. Okay. Because I wasn't looking. This is what it's so small compared to all these slimes. And then I have a really big, actually, like, butter slime that I tried to make butter slime. And it still has that mark, so it's butter slime. Okay, let me just take it out. I showed it in my last video, my slime. And I showed you these 4, which was like, I already showed you guys that it can like scoop, go like that. I don't have a knife, so yeah. I took my phone case off just for this video. I've had this since 4th of July. I'm gonna put it back. Alhamdulillah. Bitch, know my name. Do the job. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna like peel this off for the video. Like, this is gonna be an aesthetic. I'm like obsessed with the aesthetics. They're so pretty. Oh my God, this is so gonna have sparkles all over my fingers, but who cares? This is really cool. So I don't care. And so, I mean, my parents will though. But, yeah. So I'm just peeling all of it off because it's so cool. Oh, God. I wish. Okay, well, I'm just gonna go like this and yep. Okay, goodbye. There you go. That's all I really. Oh my God, I wasn't even showing. Ugh. I just looked into the camera and it wasn't showing, so sorry if I didn't show you guys the pretty aesthetic, but this is the aftermath. Oh, girl, it's not even coming out, but like, this is what it looks like out of the container. Ooh. And then this is what it looks like inside the container. Yeah, so that's it. I just want to do that because I'm obsessed with aesthetics. And yeah, see you guys with my new bangs later. Bye.